Now you might be asking yourself, well, how do I know where I'm at? Should I be 0.8 or should I be closer to 1.2? And so while a lot of things are trial and error, like when I first started a couple weeks ago, I started my body transformation, I was at 0.8. And then after lifting heavy and my body simply requiring more protein, more calories, I had to up that. And right now I'm at 1 gram per pound of lean body mass. And then eventually I'll go up to the 1.2 where I would kind of cap out. And you also can use your body type to figure out, all right, yo, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this video, we're gonna talk about how much protein do you need in order to build some real solid lean muscle, okay? And we're gonna go off based on my experience and what I've read through articles and research too as well. So in my research and my own personal experience, I found that 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of lean body mass is actually a really good standard for most people. Okay, so you would take your body fat percentage and you would subtract that from your total weight. That would leave you with your lean body mass, right? So everything in your body, your bones, your organs, your muscles, everything except your body fat, and that's what the protein is going to be used for. And the idea is that fat doesn't need protein nor a lot of other nutrients in order to sustain itself. That's why it doesn't take a lot of work or effort to be overweight, to have excess fat, right? You just have to sit on the couch, not do a lot of movement, and then eat poorly. And you can also eat healthy too and overeat, just overeat more calories than the ones that you expend. And then you will notice that you are gaining weight, all right? And it's not very hard to do. Now you might be asking yourself, well, how do I know where I'm at? Should I be 0.8 or should I be closer to 1.2? And so while a lot of things are trial and error, like when I first started a couple weeks ago, I started my body transformation, I was at 0.8. And then after lifting heavy and my body simply requiring more protein, more calories, I had to up that. And right now I'm at 1 gram per pound of lean body mass. And then eventually I'll go up to the 1.2 where I would kind of cap out. And you also can use your body type to figure out which side of the spectrum you should lean towards. And that's basically choosing between, if you're an endomorph, so more of someone, the anabolic with the bigger wrists, bigger calves, luxurious hair, the more endomorphic anabolic body type would probably need less protein, so closer to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. But if you're someone like me who has skinny wrists, skinny ankles, bony, and just like a hard gainer, I would be closer to the 1.2 grams of protein per pound of body weight, but I'm slowly ramping my way up. I didn't just start off at 1.2, I started at 0.8 and then fed my body based off the requirements that it needed. And so now you know how much protein to have per pound of body weight, or at least somewhere to start. And then you know, based on your body type, whether you're endomorph or ectomorph, and mesomorph falls right in the middle, but it's really for those endomorphs or ectomorphs to really find out like where you should sway, where you might sway on that spectrum. And then now that you have those two things figured out, the next thing to do is to figure out what nutrients and what foods or shake are you going to use to meet those requirements. And so this is what I'm doing. And so if I have 200 grams of protein that I need to hit for a day, then I'm going to split that 50-50. 50% is going to come from animal-based protein, so anything like lean chicken, some wild-caught salmon, some high-quality fish, and maybe an egg or two, but mostly lean chicken for me and what works well for my body. And then the other 50% of protein will come from a more plant-based source. So vegan protein shake, more of the vegetables, root vegetables like potatoes and rice, brown rice, and then more of the leafy vegetables too. You got kale, you got chard, you got broccoli, you got peas. So a lot of other vegetables that are in that kingdom that you can also use to hit your protein. Now the thing with vegetable protein is they're lacking in some amino acids. Except for pea protein, most of them are lacking in the proper amino acids that you'll need to build muscle. But that's what I do. That's how I determine my protein, and then based on my body type, which way to lean towards, and then the right foods to use to hit that protein. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, comment down there that you liked it, that you got some knowledge from it, and then ask other questions too. So if you got other questions that you want me to answer, or you want to talk about other things, feel free. That's how I create the content. So I am definitely looking forward to you guys commenting, and then like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, hit the bell and then I will see you guys in our next video. So go out there, build some lean muscle. Build some lean muscle. It'll help you burn more fat and just overall get that body transformation goal accomplished, the one that you're looking for. So I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video.